Hello and thanks for tuning in to another Infinite Flight tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to do a crosswind takeoff in an airliner. Join me at the controls of this Boeing 737 and I'll walk you through it. A successful crosswind takeoff is dependent upon aileron deflection into the wind and rudder inputs to stay on the runway centerline. For independent control of your aileron and rudder, be sure you turn off auto coordination in your Infinite Flight settings. Without proper inputs, you may find yourself quickly veering off the runway as you near the rotation speed, which you can see here. With a crosswind coming from our right, we'll want to turn our device or yoke into the wind as we set our takeoff power and begin rolling. We'll slowly reduce the amount of aileron deflection as we gain speed to avoid digging the wing into the runway, while also continuously using rudder to hold the runway centerline. As we reach our rotation speed of 140 knots, we'll begin to rotate, keeping the yoke turned slightly into the wind, and rudder inputs, which will result in the wheels leaving the runway one at a time. Nose gear, downwind wheel, followed by the upwind wheel. Once airborne, we'll begin climbing out while holding the rudder inputs as needed, and the wing still slightly dipped into the wind, both of which will help stay on the runway heading to compensate for the wind's tendency to blow you off course. With our gear up, initial climb out stabilized and runway heading maintained, we can begin to return the rudder to a neutral position. With a successful crosswind takeoff complete, I can reduce power, begin my acceleration, set autopilot, and get on my way. Crosswinds, whether on takeoff or landing, require precision and some serious practice. Always be sure to do a thorough takeoff brief and know exactly which inputs are needed before beginning takeoff roll. If you found this helpful, be sure you like the video, leave us a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel for more. You can also find Infinite Flight on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. I'll see you in the next one.